Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are tasting spicy chili from the garden. So we grew. If you haven't seen my gardening videos where we had the chili, we're going to taste one. We have a lot more chilies and my parents are going to taste them. I'm not going to taste them because they're super spicy and I cannot handle that much spice. And we're going to do it right to it. So my parents are going to taste the chili over there. First, we're gonna wash it in some water. So, yeah. Both of them are gonna have one chili. My mom is over there, my dad is over here. This is a chili. It's not in its red shape yet, but we're still gonna try it. So, here's my dad's. They're putting it in water. Here's mom. First she does it, then he does it. So, for on my mark, get together. On my mark, ready, set, go. You finished it? How spicy is it?
It's like cucumber.
It's like cucumber?
It's nothing.
It's absolutely not.
I'm gonna try one. Okay. So as you can see, I have a chili. I'm gonna try it. It's in the middle of spicy, but still is good. I like it. Now I'm getting the spice. The skin tastes like an apple skin, but the inside tastes so spicy. Oh. Yeah. So spicy. It is so spicy that my throat is like burning. Oh, I'm trying to drink something, but my parents didn't feel it, but I don't know how I feel it. It's so spicy. Look at my tongue, it's so red. So though I drank the water, it's still so spicy. I can drink some milk now, calm me down. Feels better. Guys, don't try this at home because I had my parents around. I tried it. It was so spicy. Do not try this at home. This is really dangerous for you guys. And us three, we took our risk and we did it. And we put it in vegetable and all. I don't taste anything, but when you just eat a raw one, it's super spicy.